Okay, everybody, I'm here in McGinty's Motorcars, located on 1041 Washington Street in Reading, Pennsylvania. This is my first time out here. I was out in the warehouse already, and they got a lot of nice cars. So make yourself comfortable, sit down, have some popcorn, and enjoy the video. And if you do enjoy the video, please like and subscribe. Thank you very much. Okay, here we have a 1976 Corvette, going for $19,496. Got the T-tops. Okay, they're allowing me to open up the doors so I can take video of the interiors. Got the nice red interior on this one. Okay, next up we have a 1955 International 100 pickup. And this one's going for $33,996. Got the split windows in the back of the cab. Okay, here's a 1980 Datsun 280ZX. This one's going for $28,996. And it has a 2.8 inline 6-cylinder engine, 5-speed manual transmission. Got the window louvers in the back. Nice brown interior. Okay, here we have a 1981 Fiat. This one's going for $13,996. And this is another convertible. Okay, this one looks like it's getting some work done. It's missing the passenger seat and the rear seat. And they're doing something with the radio there. Okay, here we have a 1939 Chevy Master Deluxe. And this one's going for $27,996. It's got a 350 V8 underneath the hood. A very nice interior. Okay, here's a real nice, stunning 1955 Chevy pickup. And this one's going for $99,996. It's got a 350 V8 underneath the hood. Very nice interior. I like the way they incorporated the cup holders into the seat. It's pretty cool. Okay, here's a 1978 MG. This one's going for $15,996. Another convertible. She's got 65,000 miles on her. Okay, here's another 1971 MG. This one's going for $18,996. Okay, here's a real nice 1962 MG. Going for $19,996. Okay, here's a 1967 Morgan. This one's going for $29,996. Okay, here we have a 2006 Porsche Carrera S. This one's going for $54,996. Okay, next up we have a 1965 Thunderbird. This one's going for $22,996, and it's got the 390 V8 engine. Okay, there's a shot of the interior. Okay, here's a 1948 Dodge. This one's going for $11,996. It's a cold one today, guys. This is a pretty cool car. It's got a real nice patina on the body. Pretty cool. Okay, here is a 1976 280ZX going for $29,996, and it's low miles, 45,000 miles showing on the odometer. Okay, here's a real nice 1980 Corvette. This one's going for $15,996. It's got the 350 V8 engine underneath the hood. Got T-tops and louvers on the rear. Okay, here's a 1965 Pontiac Le Mans. And this one's going for $19,996. And it's got a V8 326 cubic inch engine underneath the hood. Okay, here is a real nice 1952 Ford F1 going for $39,996. And it has a 390 V8 underneath the hood. It's got two-tone. It's black and red. It's very, very sharp. Okay, and here's the interior. I think this is my favorite vehicle here today. It's beautiful.